Cebu is chaotic. Hi guys, this is Koy Samson. Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, this is Koy Samson. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, i-update ko po kayo guys kung ano na po ang nangyayari sa Cebu 1 week after the Odette. After 1 week after tayo binisita ng matinding bagyo na si Odette. So, babasahin ko po ang update ng Visayan Electric Company kung ilang percent na po ang merong electricity sa Cebu City or sa Cebu Province, at saka update ng ating water, at saka update po kung ano talaga ang nangyayari sa Cebu. Kasi marami akong naririnig na a lot of negative things ako naririnig kung ano na talaga nangyayari kasi well, wala ako doon personally, but I am closely monitoring with my friends, with my anak in there, so I am closely monitoring kung ano na po ang mga nangyayari doon. So guys, ito na po ang latest update sa VECO as of December 24 of 3 p.m. So we have energized the following areas near vital installations: Talisay City, portion of Fidel Bas, portion of Muhon Road; Mandawi City, portions of Kabankalan, portions of AS Fortuna Street, Manilad, portions of Magikay, Gizo, and Tipolo, portions of North Reclamation Area, portions of Kasuntingan and Tingog, portions of Subang Dako, portions of AS Cortez Avenue, portions of SB Cabahog, portions of Zamora Street, PJ Borges and C. Iwano Streets in Mandawi City, portions of Cebu North Road, North Town Homes, Mandawi City, portions of Hernan Cortez Street, Cebu City, portions of Fidel Rosario Street, portions of Cabahog Central Nautical Highway, Colina Road and PJ Juano, and portions of Menyoza Road. In Cebu City, portions of Camutis Road and Mactan Streets, portions of Leyte Luop, portions of Katipunan Streets, portions of F. Liamu Street, Salvador Streets, and portions of E. Villano Streets, portions of Onquera Streets, portions of our London St. Pilai Streets, portions of Pilai Street, Pantaleon de Lusario, portions of Tohong Street, Archbishop Avenue, portions of Central Nautical Highway, portions of Gurordo Avenue, Cebu Trans-Central Highway, Sudlun Road and Sunset Drive, portions of Cebu S Roads, portions of Toledo Wharf Road, Cebu and Road, portions of Cebu Road are Abiliana Street and A. Gabuya Streets, Bacalo Streets and Tabura Streets, portions of Kinasangan, Cebu South Road, Villa San Pardo, Villa San Pedro, and Cabrero Streets, portions of Jasmine Streets, Don Mariano Coy Streets, A. Climaco Street, Don Hill Garcia and P. Rodriguez Streets, and portions of J. Data Streets. We will be posting updates, energized area from time to time. Please keep posted and keep safe. So guys, pag sinabi pong portions, hindi po lahat. At pag sinabi po, as what I've understood or understand, hindi po ito sa residential. Siguro, ito yung po itong mga may mga energized, ito po yung mga streets, because as what I've understood, yung mga streets muna ang may mga ilaw. So guys, ito kararating lang po na update as of December 25. So today is December 25, California time, and madaling araw doon sa San Francisco ng December 25. Madaling araw doon sa Cebu as of December 25. So portions of Paseo Satortino, Paseo Abiliana in Cebu City, portions of Camp Lapu-Lapu Road, Apas, portions of Balamban, portions of Gabuya Streets and El Gabuya Streets, portions of Budlaan, portions of Paseo Ela Lea, portions of Natalio B, Bacaso Avenue, and portions of Road Cebu South Road. In Consolacion, portions of Cebu North Road, portions of Cebu Central Highway. In Mandawi City, portions of Sacres Road. In Talisay, portions of Cebu South Road, A. Bacalso Street. In San Fernando, portions of Cebu South Road, portions of Balud, and in Naga City, portions of Cebu South Road. So, talaga yung pagkakaintindi ko dito, yung mga streets lang po ang merong mga lights as of now. But, well, maybe may mga bahay na siguro, but I still have no updates kung may mga lights na ba yung mga bahay. Kung may makikita man tayong mga bahay, guys, na may lights, siguro meron silang generator or meron silang solar panel. So, yan po ang latest update ng Visayan Electric Company. So guys, may update din ako sa MCWD. Sabi nila, hindi na tayo dapat mag-panic guys sa mga bottled water kasi sabi nila, their water is safe. Kasi, well, I can testify this kasi nandun ako sa Pilipinas, hindi talaga ako bumibili ng mga bottled waters. Mga bottled water na yan iinom ako directly to the faucet from MCWD. So yun ang ginagawa ko sa Pilipinas. It should not be alarmed, pero hindi lahat ng tiyan natin, hindi lahat yung tiyan natin the same sa isa't isa. So meron talaga mga tao na sensitive yung stomach nila. So ang suggestion ko na lang guys, even if they're saying that their water is safe, ang suggestion ko na lang guys, you have to boil their water before drinking. Yeah, ano nyo na lang, palalamigin nyo na lang after boiling and then drink it para mas safe. Kung hindi man tayo makakita ng mga bottled water kasi ang mahal-mahal talaga, nandun pa rin ang grabe yung profiting sa Cebu ngayon. It's a chaos. Yung mga tao talaga, may mga tao talagang manglamang ng kapwa. They are taking advantage of the situation instead of helping people. Yung nag-overprice sila kasi they are taking advantage of the situation. Yeah, as I've said, may assurance ang MCWD na safe yung kanilang water to drink. So guys, ano ba talaga ang tunay na nangyayari sa Cebu ngayon? So may nakausap akong kaibigan. So he was forced to leave Cebu. He was forced to leave Cebu and go home to his province. Kasi nga, sabi niya, Cebu is chaotic. Sabi niya, maiiyak ka talaga kasi pag nandun ka sa city, talagang wala daw silang tubig at saka super mahal lahat. So sabi niya, kung uuwi siya sa probinsya, mas mabuti doon kasi kahit they have everything, like they have a deep well or ano ba yan? Yung water na para sa well, meron silang ganon. At saka hindi masyadong nag-overprice yung mga tao doon kasi meron nga silang mga livestock na nandun. So kinukuha ko yung ratio na nagsasabi sa akin ng ganon. Siguro 5 of my friends na umuwi sila sa kanilang mga probinsya kasi napakahirap talaga daw sa Cebu as of this time. So, lahat ng mga tao, ng mga negosya, not lahat, but most of the business people in Cebu nag-overprice sila. Hindi lahat, hindi ko sinasabing lahat guys, but karamihan po, especially yung mga small business owners, they are taking advantage of the situation. So, shout out po sa inyo. Tulong naman po tayo. Let's help each other. Hindi po, all of us are affected. Kaya, wag nyo naman, you know, dagdagan pa ang hirap ng mga tao. So, instead, tulong na lang po tayo kasi ang hirap-hirap talaga po. And it's been like a week. It's been a week. And then the survival is the survival level as in grabe talaga. So kawawa po naman yung mga tao na you know, middle class at saka yung mga tao na on the bottom class kasi kahit yung mga nasa upper class, affected din sila guys. But mas kawawa yung nasa bottom class at saka sa middle class. So kaya yung mga shout out sa lahat ng mga negosyante na small businesses, please, let's help each other. So guys, yan po ang latest update natin sa Cebu, so sa MCWD and sa electricity. So hanggang sa muli. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please like and subscribe in my channel. And this is Squeeze Tabs. Bye!